Well, again a very good morning to you class. Yesterday I have told you we have learned a topic about the numbers, that is singular and plurals, and I have told you some of the ways to form the plural forms of the singular nouns. Today again I am going to tell you not more but 6 more uses which you can call as exception also, how to form the singulars into the plural ones, nouns. So let's start with our class today, and here I am writing a topic, some more rules to change singular into plural nouns. The rule number 1 is, if the noun ends in ch and sounds like k, we add s. For example, if I write STOMACH or MONARCH, both are ending in ch, but if I pronounce it, what I pronounce it as stomach and not stomach, it's stomach, or monarch, not monarch, then it sounds like K, monarch, stomach, I add S, STOMACHS, or MONARCHS. So this is important rule. Previously I have told you the nouns ending in OX, CH, SS, SH and ZZ, I put ES with them and not S. But if it sounds like K and ending in CH, I put S and not ES. Rule number 2 is, rule number 2 for you is, if the noun ends in Y and have a vowel before it, we add S. Yesterday I have told you if the noun is ending with Y, then I will replace my Y with IES. For example, COUNTRY, and it has a consonant before it, R. Again, COUNTRY. It is ending in Y and has a consonant R before the Y. I replace it with IES. For example, COUNTRIES. I replace my Y with IES if it has a consonant before it. But if the noun ends in Y and have a vowel before it, we add S. For example, TOY, toy becomes TOYS, and DAY, day becomes DAYS. Y ending and have a vowel A and O in it. Now let's jump upon to rule number 3. Rule number 3 for you is, if the noun ends in O and have a vowel before it, we add S. For example, yesterday I have told you that if the noun ends with O, X, C, H, S, S, H, Z, Z, O, I put ES. But the condition is that before the O there must be a consonant, but if it ends in O and end a vowel before it, so I will put S and not ES. For example, BAMBOO, bamboo becomes BAMBOOS, bamboos, because it ends in O and has a vowel before it. Next example is STUDIO, studio, ends in O, have a vowel before it, so it becomes STUDIOS and not ES. Now rule number 4 is, if the noun ends in O, then with some of the nouns, both S and ES are correct. How? For example, if I write MOSQUITO, mosquito, so it can be MOSQUITOS or either MOSQUITOES. Mosquito and mosquitoes both are right. One more example, COMMANDO, commando. Commando can be COMMANDOS or COMMANDOES. Both are correct. If you put S or ES, both are correct. Now, fifth use for changing it into plural form is if the noun ends in full, FUL, we add S. For example, SPOONFUL or HANDFUL. So you can see spoonful is ending with full, whereas same in handful. So I simply put S to form its plural form, SPOONFULS or HANDFULS. Now, sixth and last rule I am going to teach you here, which is important. Sixth rule is, some nouns are always plural. For example, trousers or assets. So these nouns are always used in its plural form, never in the singular form. So these are the remaining 6 exceptions or rules which I have tell you today. Now we are going to solve one more exercise so that you can understand the basic concept. So let's solve the exercise together. Fill in the correct forms of noun given in brackets. Sentence number 1 for you is, the dash is not true. Here news is the noun. Second sentence for you is, the dash are under the bed. It is box, noun. Third one is Mrs. Verma has to dash. Noun is child. Fourth one for you is the dash at the bus stop has umbrellas. Noun is women. One more, fifth one for you is these dash are interesting. Noun is book. So let's solve it together. First one is the dash is not true. Noun is news. Now news. If I write new, then new is a different meaning. Something new. Whereas news is a noun which always used in the plural form. So I will write news. Where is the dash are under the bed? Now I can see R is there, and R I use with the plural things. If it is is, I use singular form, but it is R. So I have to use plural form of box. Yesterday I have told you the nouns ending with OX, I use ES with them. So it is BOX and I add ES, it becomes boxes. Now next one is Mrs. Verma has two child. Now I can see two is there and child is singular, child is one. But here the number is written as 2. I have to change it into plural form to make the correct sentence. So CHILDREN. Yesterday I have told you with some of the nouns I use EN or REN to make its plural form. Next, at the bus stop has umbrellas. Women is there. Now women. The article is given, articles we have already studied. If the is there, then I am talking about some particular woman who has umbrellas. So it is singular and I write woman. Now these are interesting books. R is there and these is there. Both shows that these is the plural form of this and book is there which is singular. So to make it plural, I simply put as and it becomes books. The books are interesting. Here I have explained you how to solve the exercise with the 5 sentences. 5 more sentences I am giving you to solve in your homework. Kindly copy it down when I write, because you have to solve it by yourself in your homework. And tomorrow again I will come up to tell you the answers of it. 6th one for you is the dash is eating cheese. Here noun is mouse. 7th one for you is when does your dash arrive. Noun is bus, bus. 8th one for you is will you buy some dash. POTATO, potato is the noun. 9th one for you is these dash are sweet. Noun is ERRY, cherry. And the last one for you is the flock of dash just flew overhead. Noun is bird. So 5 sentences I have given you to solve in homework. 5 we have practiced. Again tomorrow I will come up and will give you an exercise to solve, so that we will understand the topic number more comfortably and in an easier way. Till then, students, learn all the uses, that is 8 what I have told you yesterday and 6 what I have taught you today. Total 14 uses are there. Just 5 sentences in the homework I have given you, because learning part is also there. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you.